welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren and we're having trouble focusing. Welcome back to another moving vlog. It is the day before we move. It is Friday evening. We move super early tomorrow morning, which is Saturday. Clay has been so very sweet and has packed up a ton of stuff this afternoon while he was off of work. And his mom and his sister came over and we loaded up their cars full of stuff. We are going to be loading up our cars tonight so that most of our things are done because we have the movers tomorrow for like 2 hours. So we want to make sure that they can get all of the big stuff into the moving truck and then we can go to our new place and then unload everything. So we want to make sure that we are using our time wisely and not wasting it by having them pack a bunch of things that we could have packed tonight. So we're going to pack up both of our cars in a little bit and we've got a lot of stuff left to get done. We just went and ate dinner and dropped off all the stuff to Goodwill that we needed to get donated. And now I'm going to show you guys a little update. If you want to see our empty house tour as well as the first moving vlog, I'll have the first moving vlog linked up here so you can go and watch it if you are just clicking on this one randomly. And I will have them linked down below for you guys so you can go and check them out. Also, if it's like a year from now when I uploaded this, because I know moving vlogs tend to do really well for a long period of time, I will link all of the moving vlogs from this move down below so you guys can go and check out all of them after you've watched this one. So yeah, let's go and give you guys an update. So this is what we're working with for the living room. We've taken everything off of the walls except for our mount, and my desk is all ready to go. Clay packed up both of our computers. We've got our media stand here. All the pillows are off of the couch. And this rug will have to be rolled up whenever the movers come. So all of this is super empty. And then we've got all of our stuff over here. So this is like our side table and Charlie's crate. So we've got all of these boxes, some of which we're gonna go ahead and put in our car soon. And then we've got all this stuff hanging out in the kitchen that's just gonna need to be tossed into boxes. This is all trash, our cooler. We do still have everything in the fridge. I think this will just be something we pack in the morning, obviously, so it doesn't go bad. But we've got all of our dishes gone and everything out of the drawers and from under there, gone from up here. We've got a couple of different just random things hanging out. But then this cabinet is all empty. We've got these boxes too. I don't know what we're gonna do with these, but empty under there, empty drawer here, empty junk drawer. We've got an empty pantry on both the top and bottom. And then we've got some other random stuff over here that we're just gonna have to pack up and put in a car. Same with some of this stuff, but this closet's cleared out minus that bin up there. And then this is what it looks like from the other side. Our bedroom looks like a hot mess too, so don't mind that. Went ahead and took down Clay's computer. There's like nothing on our walls now. We tipped up our bed like this, but we're gonna have to tip it down to sleep actually on tonight. We need to vacuum and throw this thing away. And we've got all this stuff ready to go, our dresser, and then the closet is the same as the last vlog. You guys can go and check that out if you want to watch it. And then everything is gone in our bathroom as well, except for Charlie's bowl, trash. This is like random small stuff I need, Clay's bag of stuff he needs, this, and then shower stuff. I left a towel and my shower things because I want to take a shower tonight and make sure that I'm all clean. So that is our progress we've made. I packed up the linen closet in this little bin. Clay pulled out his guitar. We've got some tools. I went ahead and took down a load of stuff down to my car, and I think Clay is doing the same and or throwing stuff away at our trash place. So I am going to I think take another load down and just suck it up and just go ahead and start taking more stuff to my car and just load it up until I can't anymore. So I think I'm gonna take this suitcase here, and I'm definitely thinking the blender, or like getting one of these boxes or something, or maybe this, I don't know, or that. Could do a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna see what I can get. Guys, we got a good chunk of the boxes taken down to the cars. We pulled the bed frame thing out here. See, we made some progress. How tired are you? Very tired. Pulled this out of the laundry room. Gotta put that somewhere. Then we've just got like random bags and things just laying around, but the kitchen looks empty. The bedroom is super empty, and we just laid the mattress, by we I mean Clay, laid the mattress down on the floor. So this is all good to go. And then the movers can come and get all of this stuff in the morning. Hey guys, future Lauren coming to you to let you know that this is going to be the end of this moving vlog. I decided to split up this vlog with the one for our actual move-in day, which is the next moving vlog, which you guys will see soon. If you like this one, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking that little red subscribe button right down below. I will also be linking the first moving vlog and our empty house tour down below in the description box for you guys if you have not checked them out already. The first moving vlog is literally so long, it's like 27 minutes, and the moving day one is probably going to be extremely long as well, so look out for both of those. Go and watch the first one if this one was too short for you, but I just felt like it was gonna be too much if I added it on to the actual move-in day as well. But I want to hop on and say thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming along on our move-in journey. As you can see, I'm sitting in my new office. You guys will see it in the next moving vlog, but I am so happy. We're so happy here. And of course, I'll be giving you guys another updated vlog on everything because we have finally gotten things situated and all that kind of good stuff. But that is to come soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.